Today I'm going to show you how to program the keyless pin pad on your LiftMaster garage door opener. So step one, we have to find the unit, which is up there, and press the learn button. So let's go do that. So here we are at the back of the unit, and this yellow button right here, that's the learn button. Once I press that, I have 30 seconds to get back down there and put my code in. So I'm going to push that, and then we'll get moving. So let's push that. Okay, we got 30 seconds. So I wasn't fast enough to get down the ladder and to do that all within 30 seconds and tape it. I did it, I just didn't tape it. But what I did after I hit that learn button, came down here, I pushed in my 4-digit code and I hit enter. After I hit enter, the light up here flashed. That said it's got my code. The directions are also right here under the lid. Press the learn button. After you press it, you've got 30 seconds to come back down, enter your 4-digit code and hit the enter key. After you hit the enter key, the light will flash, showing you've successfully entered your code. Let's test it and see if it works. Now I got a working code. That's all there is to it. This is for the LiftMaster keyless entry garage door opener. All there is to it. You can do it. If you want more like this, just subscribe to the channel because you may want to know.